Thank you all for joining us as we unveil this critical report on the impact of the NextStar Energy plant in Windsor-Essex. So the NextStar Energy plant, a $5 billion joint venture between LG Energy Solutions and Stellantis, is Canada's first large-scale EV battery manufacturing facility. Its annual production capacity of 49.5 gigawatt hours will support North American EV production and help Stellantis achieve carbon net zero by 2038. This investment is more than just a new factory. It's been a catalyst for economic growth, innovation, and workforce development in Windsor-Essex. The federal and provincial governments each committed $500 million toward the construction of the NextStar Energy plant, contingent on meeting employment and facility size targets. Locally, the City of Windsor contributed $200 million in land, tax incentives, and infrastructure improvements, including assembling 220 acres for the project. We've seen local businesses expanding to support the EV sector, including Integrity Tool and Mold, Cowtex Textron, and DC Actimo Canada, which invested $60 million into a new manufacturing facility, which are just a few of the many that can be seen here in the recent landed investments by Invest Windsor-Essex. Diversity initiatives to support women's employment in the sector have also been created by both Build a Dream and Women's Enterprise Skills Training to help underrepresented groups enter the skilled trades. Since 2022, we have seen over 1,400 new job postings for EV-related positions from over 100 different companies.
Amid this pivotal moment of profound global economic reflection and deliberations on international trade policy, the call of Canada Strong resonates deeply. St. Clair College embodies this strength through our steadfast commitment to workforce development, technological research advancements, and impactful community engagement. This landmark development marks more than just a technological shift. It symbolizes Windsor-Essex's potential to lead the nation's transition towards a greener, more sustainable economy. To this end, together, let's boldly leverage our strengths and partnerships to shape Canada's innovative and sustainable future. Windsor, this is our moment to thrive, innovate, and prosper. Let's not just dream about the future, let's build it. Thank you.